If you love your home but need some extra room, Ultraframe has designed a better way to extend it. With one supplier and one price, it's easy to create a warm, bright space. It's a better way to plan your extension because you won't need an architect or a builder. A local installer handles everything, from the design to a detailed quote to the building regulations. Ideal when most people's lives are so busy these days. It's a better way to build your extension because once the design and costs are agreed, all the components are made to your exact specification in Ultraframe's factory. So building is quick, easy, and with minimum fuss or disruption. It's a better way to live because Ultraframe's state-of-the-art design with a more thermally efficient structure and glazing means your new extension will be a welcoming and comfortable space that makes the most of your home all year round.